Electric vehicles are taking over the roads, and 2024 is shaping up to be the biggest year yet for EV innovation. But with so many options, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 electric vehicles of 2024 that are setting the standard for performance, range, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're an EV enthusiast or just looking to make the switch, these are the cars you need to know about. Electric vehicles, EVs, are no longer a thing of the future. They're the present, and 2024 is bringing us some of the most impressive EVs to date. From luxury sedans to affordable compacts, there's an electric vehicle for everyone. With advancements in battery technology, longer ranges, and faster charging, the EV market is exploding. In this video, we'll take a look at the top 5 electric vehicles of 2024 and why they're leading the charge into the future. 1. Tesla Model S Plaid. Kicking things off is Tesla's flagship sedan, the Model S Plaid. If you're looking for mind-blowing speed combined with cutting-edge tech, this is the EV for you. With 1,020 horsepower, the Model S Plaid can go from 0 to 60 mph in under 2 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars in the world. But it's not just about speed. The Model S Plaid also boasts an impressive range of 396 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for long-distance travel. And with Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving capabilities, this car is as much about innovation as it is about performance. 2. Rivian R1T, the electric adventure truck. For those who want an electric vehicle that's built for adventure, the Rivian R1T is the ultimate pick. This all-electric truck combines off-road capabilities with cutting-edge tech, offering a range of up to 314 miles and a towing capacity of 11,000 pounds. The R1T is designed for outdoor enthusiasts, featuring waterproof compartments for gear, a built-in air compressor, and even a camp kitchen option. Whether you're hitting the trails or just need a powerful truck for work, the Rivian R1T is the perfect blend of utility and sustainability. 3. Ford F-150 Lightning. America's best-selling truck goes electric. America's favorite pickup has gone electric, and it's making waves in the EV world. The Ford F-150 Lightning brings everything you love about the F-150: toughness, versatility, and reliability, but with zero emissions. With a 300-mile range, this truck offers plenty of power for both work and play, and it comes equipped with Ford's BlueCruise hands-free driving system. One of the standout features is the ProPower onboard, which allows you to use the truck as a mobile power generator, perfect for construction sites, camping trips, or even powering your home during an outage. 4. Lucid Air. Luxury and performance combined. If you're in the market for luxury, the Lucid Air is the EV to watch. This sleek sedan offers a 516-mile range, which is the longest of any EV currently on the market. And with 1,911 horsepower, the Lucid Air is no slouch when it comes to performance. Inside, the Lucid Air is all about luxury, with a spacious cabin, premium materials, and a massive glass canopy roof. It's also packed with tech, including Lucid's DreamDrive system, which offers semi-autonomous driving features. If you want an electric vehicle that offers both comfort and cutting-edge technology, the Lucid Air is hard to beat. 5. Chevrolet Bolt EUV. Affordable and efficient. Finally, for those looking for an affordable electric vehicle without sacrificing range, the Chevrolet Bolt EUV is one of the best choices in 2024. With a range of 247 miles, the Bolt EUV is perfect for city driving and daily commutes, and it's priced significantly lower than many of its competitors. The Bolt EUV also comes with SuperCruise, GM's hands-free driving technology, making it a great option for drivers who want a taste of autonomous driving without breaking the bank. With its affordable price tag and impressive range, the Bolt EUV is bringing electric vehicles to the masses. Conclusion: the future of EVs in 2024. 2024 is shaping up to be a landmark year for electric vehicles. Whether you're looking for speed, luxury, adventure, or affordability, there's an EV out there for you. With these top 5 electric vehicles, it's clear that the future of driving is electric, and it's never been more exciting. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the top EVs of 2024, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and updates. Let me know in the comments which EV you're most excited about. Are you ready to go electric? I'll see you in the next video.